Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's lesson, I'm going to take you through the C debugging. So before we go ahead to attempt the question that we have been tasked to do, we need to define what is debugging. And according to the Google search engine, debugging is the process of finding and fixing errors in a software that prevents it from running correctly. Some of the debugging tools that we have in the market, we have the GDB. Debugging techniques include the following. We have the interactive debugging, control flow analysis, unit testing, integration testing, log file analysis, monitoring at the application or the system level, memory dumps, and lastly, the profiling. So for you, it's all what I've said is on these two parts. We have the resources that you have been provided with. We have this one, the debugging part, and the rubber duck debugging. Okay, now let's move to the next part. The learning objective is as always, you're expected to be able to explain to anyone without using the help of the Google what is debugging. I think we have been able to define what is debugging, which we have said that is the process of finding and fixing errors in a software. Then some of the methods of debugging manually. I think we have just mentioned a few. Then the next part, how to read the error message. Okay, let's go straight to the quiz that we have today. Number one, we have the following codes give this output. What is the error? Okay, the error, let's see, we have the main debugging example, return. Okay, next. Number one, we want to compare J, so we need to F statement, but the correct answer, the error in this one is supposed to be, we want to assign J a new value, not compare it. So it should be J is equal to J minus 1 instead of J is equal to J minus 1. Okay, number two, look at the following code. We have the code as you can see it. Okay, so in the main J value, what line is the first error that the compiler returns? And the answer is supposed to be 11. Supposed to be 11. And the next part, question number two, this code does not work as intended. We have the print even number from 0 to 100 that returns 0. Integer main void integer I, comma 4. Let add print function statement to the code. What information do the print function statement tells about how our code is executed? And the answer is supposed to be number one, print function statement shows that break will cause for loop X to be exited to prevent indicating the even number is never printed. Then the other one, a print function statement shows when the for loop is finished. Then the next number, we have the following codes give this incorrect output. Each of the following statement about what is causing the error is true. And the answer is J never increments, so it is always going to print 0. J never increments, so it will always be less than 10. So those are the questions that on this assignment we are tasked to tackle. So before you attempt the question, ensure that you go through the resources that we have been provided. You will find them quite helpful. And at the end of the day, you will take now the shortest time possible to tackle the quizzes that we have. So thank you for taking time to listen to what I've said. Hope you have learned something. Don't forget to comment, like, and also to subscribe. Let's continue supporting the channel so that we can help more people to learn of the C and also how to compile and how to program. Thank you once again. Have a lovely day.